Durga Puja. West Bengal is the place of festival. Durga Puja is the most auspicious festival of Bengalis. It is celebrated in every part of India in the month of September and October. According to Hindu mythology, Durga was requested to appear for destroying the power of demon Mahishasur. The festival spans 10 days, with the last 5 being most significant. Devotees dressed in traditional attire visit pandals and offer prayers. The immersion of idol's body in water symbolizes the goddess's return to her celestial abode. Everyone wears new dresses, eats variety of foods with their friends, family, and relatives. It brings a wave of happiness to the Hindus. Like, share, and subscribe my channel for more videos.